PURLINE is a completely new category of floor covering. We have several different types of flooring to cover all of your needs. There are 6 main differences when it comes to installing PURLINE flooring versus other flooring materials. Keeping these in mind will ensure a successful installation. Number 1. Required acclimation. PURLINE rolls should be delivered early enough to allow for a minimum of 48 hours acclimation. Unpack rolls, remove winding, and allow to stand upright for a full 48 hours. Rolls should be loosened several turns to help speed acclimation. Then rough cuts can be made. Planks and tiles also need to arrive with enough time to acclimate. Move them to the room where they'll be installed. Stack the boxes 3 high, leave them for 48 hours before installing. Number 2. Proper handling. Do not fold or crease PURLINE flooring. It may crack or permanently dent or scar. Number 3. Required tools. Pay special attention to corkboard requirements and the proper weight of the roller. Number 4. Cutting application. Don't double cut PURLINE. Cut each piece separately. Number 5. Adhesive application. Only use the factory recommended adhesives and follow all use and application instructions. Number 6. Proper placement and seating. The cork rubbing board is used to apply pressure over the top surface of the material. The backing is pushed down onto the adhesive bed to secure a bedding seating. The heavy roller pushes the material down completely into the adhesive bed, fully setting the material and driving the material all the way down to the substrate. Don't compress fit PURLINE flooring. Instead, the floor should be installed with no pressure on the material by pushing the seams together. Before beginning any installation, visit the website for complete installation instructions.